How do I swap the first and second audio streams in an MKV in a Linux-based system? I'm using Plex. Plex seems to ignore the default audio stream on Roku and instead just use the first audio stream. This is per my testing using Perpedit. Since Plex does not currently support the changing of audio sources on clients outside of the LAN, I'd like to change a few of my files so the current second audio source is the first. What's the best way to swap audio streams in an MKV on a Linux-based system such as Ubuntu?
With FFmpeg, this should be rather simple. Make sure you download a static build from their download page and don't use the Ubuntu repository version, which is quite old. Here's the command. Here's what map does. The first part before the colon is the input ID. Since we only have one input, it's 0. The second part specifies the type of stream, video or audio. This is optional, but it's always a good idea to specify the type as well, in case that video and audio streams are not correctly multiplexed. The third part is the ID of the input stream. 0 will be first, and 1 the second, i.e. the first video stream and the second and first audio stream. The order of the map options determines the order of the streams in the output file. This means we'll leave the video bit stream as the first stream, then take the second audio stream, and then the first. In essence, we're swapping the audio streams. Using the C copy option ensures that the bit streams are copied and not re-encoded. A few examples on how to use the map option can be found on the FFmpeg wiki.
Just use mtool to avoid repack, re-encode, wasting time. This should be enough to swap stream.
If you want to combine input files, video plus audio, and also set a default audio track. Input files. Let's say you want to combine all these files and set English track as a default. Default means, on the first place, by default in most players if they ignore metadata. Map 0 column V, take first input file, take video from it and put it as a first video in output. Map 1 column A, take second input file, take audio from it and put it as a first audio in output. Map 0 column A, take first input file, take audio from it and put it as a second audio in output. Map 2 column A, take third input file, take audio from it and put it as a third audio in output. As you can see, order of map matters. C column V copy, copy video. Shortest, in case of audio, video length difference, cut other by the shortest.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.